Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from So Cute Planner. And if you use my code PRCRI318, you will get 20% off. And I hope that you will go check them out. She is pretty phenomenal. I love her stickers and I've loved them since long before I ever started PRing for her. She's great. And here is one of the reasons why, is because she gives 10% of all sales proceeds to a Children's Cancer Research Foundation. So she does definitely give back. I love that. Let me open it without ruining my kits here, because that's going to make me upset here. Let's see. Let me see first what I got going on here. So this was a freebie, and it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. Isn't that pretty? Those are my colors. I love that. Here is another. This is a PR freebie. So if you mention a PR girl, you get this freebie. And then the Snowman I got. And then every day. These are like the kawaii doodle stickers. And then these are the stamp sample size planner stickers. So how cute are those? And they're the shape of little stamps. Definitely will be putting these on my cards, I think, to show them off. And then the first kit I got was the Snowman Planner stickers. It's Winter Holiday Glitter Weekly kit. And here are your full boxes. Look at these snowmen, aren't they cute? With your flags. Your full heart check boxes and teardrops. Your half boxes, sidebar, and heart check flags in 2 different sizes. And dropping. Here are your glitter headers, your bottom washi, and 2 washi strips. Love that washi. I'm a snowman girl, so my tree's done it completely. Your water tracker, your habit trackers, and your little things, and functionals on the side. Or icons on the side, whichever one you want to call it. Your headers, your 3 heart check boxes, half boxes, and more functionals or icons. Your day covers with your glitter dates, your weekend banner, and your scripts, and your teardrops. Give you a second to see all the scripts. And then the last page is your mellows and your coffees and just other icons and functionals, as well as canceled, rescheduled, note, $2 Tuesday, and So Cute Planner, new releases. So there is that beautiful kit. And then the next kit I got was the Whale Planner. Look how cute. Look at that Scotty. And here are your full boxes with your flags. Your full heart check boxes and teardrops. Your half boxes sidebar, your half boxes, your sidebar, and your heart check flags. Your glitter headers, your bottom washi, and 2 washi strips. Loving it. How cute is that? Is that not beautiful? Your habit trackers, your functionals, your little things, icons. Your headers, your 3 heart check boxes, your half boxes, and more icons. Your day covers, your gold date flags, your weekend banner, your scripts, and your teardrops. And then again your mellow with your coffee cups and icons in cancel, reschedule, note, $2 Tuesday, and So Cute new releases. So there's that beautiful kit. And she closes it with, it's like glitter washi. See if I can catch it. And it is of mellow. Love it. Love me some mellow. All right, and then this one is me trying to get it out. Life is short, make it sweet. Isn't that the truth? This is called Sweet Cakes Planner Stickers. This is a Valentine chocolate and cupcakes glitter weekly kit. So chocolate makes everything better. Here are your full boxes and your flags. Your full heart check boxes and teardrops. Your heart check flags, half boxes, sidebar. Your glitter headers. Your bottom washi and 2 washi strips. Your habit trackers, sidebar, functionals, and little things. Your headers, your 3 heart check boxes, half boxes, functional icons. Your day covers, which are little cherries. Your blue glitter date flags, your weekend banner, your scripts, and your teardrops. And then your last page again with the mellow and icons and functionals. And so there is that kit. So go check her out. Go get some with 20% off using my code. I hope that you like this sticker haul. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you know that I have other videos coming up, like my Plan With Me's and other sticker hauls. And I hope to see you back real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.